Hi, everyone. I want to talk about our next part of plant and animal habitats, and that is how plants and animals depend on each other. So I'm going to read this to you, and then you can complete the slide that's attached. All plants and animals need food. Most plants use the sun, water, and air to make their own food. This gives them energy to grow and live. Animals cannot make food. They depend on plants and other animals to get their energy. A food chain shows the order of how living things get the food they need. Living things change food into energy. In a food chain, the energy moves from one living thing to another. There are many food chains, and they are important to living things in a habitat. Some food chains can be found on land. Some food chains can be found in water. Then there are food chains that can be found in both. Most food chains have predators and prey. An animal that hunts and eats other animals is a predator. So if you're an animal that eats something, another animal, you're a predator. Animals that are hunted by predators are called prey. Can you tell which of these animals is the predator and which is the prey? So let's look here. Which is the predator and which is the prey in this slide here? The frog is the predator and the bug that it's eating is the prey. Plants and animals depend on each other. Read plants and animals depend on each other on how plants and animals are connected in a food chain. Answer the questions after you finished. So we just completed reading, and now you're going to answer these questions in the slide. Plants need sunlight in order to grow, and blank eat plants in order to live. Who eats plants in order to live? Think about that. That's right, animals. Where do plants get the energy to grow? So we're going to go back in the article. We can always go back in the article. Where do plants get energy to grow? I see here the word energy. So I'm going to go back through and read what that says to figure out what gives them energy. All plants and animals need food. Most plants use sun, water, and air to make their own food. This gives them energy. So think about that. What gives plants energy to grow? Work on that in your slides. You're going to work on answering those questions in your slides.